Good morning. Just showered. Last night I couldn't fall asleep, so I like devoured a box of Cheez-Its. Not proud of that. We're gonna do this Olaplex oil treatment in my hair, bonding oil. I don't know. Anyway, today I'm pulling for Tabitha and for Monica. So I'm gonna take you with me to showrooms so that I can share this process with you guys. How cute is my blow dryer? It's like pink. It's like color blocked, like pink, white, blue. I like have the urge to cut bangs just like from my outfit. When you guys see my full outfit, you're gonna love it. It's basically like what I was wearing yesterday, but more casual. Girl, we are behind, okay? Just like 1 inch. I won't do it. Okay. If you have any good natural deodorant recommendations, please drop them down because my lymphatic drainage massage woman, like, she's my friend. She's so talented. She was telling me that Secret's the worst one for your like lymph nodes. Like they're just like toxins that, I don't know. I need like a non-toxic deodorant. I bought this one. Ew, sorry, I'm brushing my teeth. It smells very clean. It says clean and fresh. It does smell clean and fresh. But I feel like it doesn't, I don't like the consistency of like how it feels in my armpits. But we're gonna use this one today, dude, because like, after I met with her on Friday, that was the friend that I met with on Friday. She was like, you have to use a natural deodorant. I've been using this Drunk Elephant moisturizer. I'm having a lot of like period breakouts right now. Like my jaw, like I have one here, I have one here. Like it's just not looking good. I need to do my gua sha. I haven't done gua sha in so long. I feel like puffy. I'm gonna start my periods, so I don't know if I should do primer. Okay, I'm literally wasting time right now. I'm gonna use this Gucci foundation. I need to use this little mirror. I'm gonna use 2 Ilia concealers. The light one is just gonna be like under eye, and then the darker concealer to cover up like all these pimples, and then maybe just like some coverage, extra coverage. I think that's hair and makeup for today. I might do like obviously do my lip and then do a little bit more eye maybe, but let me show you my outfit. I think this is stupid, but it's like my leather pants and this graphic tee. I'll insert the vibe right here and I'll insert pictures that I take later today, but I think I'm just gonna do Converse sneakers because like I have to do a lot of running around and carrying heavy garment bags and like just doing a lot, so I can't wear the heels. Added this cute little arm stock, so like tennis bracelet and watch, and then this black ring. And then for my ear stock, I'm gonna bag a ton of stuff. I can't vlog it because I have to like get going and everything's everywhere, and I'm just gonna like boom 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 put it in the car and then we're off. It doesn't look like a lot, but 1 2 3 4, it's like 5 garment bags. I'm gonna load everything into the car now. She's going to save the heaviest bag for last. Whoa, what a chaotic morning. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can. First stop of the day is Crumble Cookie, one of the showroom owners that I'm friends with. I'm gonna go pull from her today. She wasn't doing so good, wasn't feeling so good. She was under the weather, so we're gonna bring her a little treat to cheer her up. And then these are a little gift. Perfect. Okay, so we secured the cookies. We got her the 4-pack and I can't make my way out. Dropped them all. I ordered myself a gingerbread one without the frosting because the frosting is too sweet for me personally, but we got the goods. Now we're on our way. I think this is incredible though. This set is so over the top and fun. Look at this gown. Do you like
yeah,
not right? So I'm looking at the accessories right now and there's so many beautiful hoops. There's like silver and gold and just like all the things. Okay, it's kind of dark in here, but how cute is this little chandelier? I just got to a late lunch. I'm gonna eat before running into the last showroom at my favorite little Italian restaurant in WeHo. I'll film a little bit. It's so cute here. It's like the best little spot. And then I'll do one more pull, and then I'm actually heading over to Tabitha's because we've been texting, and she has so many events coming up that we're gonna do a fitting tonight and maybe a follow-up fitting. So I'll bring you guys with me. Arugula salad and bread that's coming. All right, finally heading to Tabitha's. I didn't vlog at the last showroom because I was just kind of in a rush. They were closing, but I am making my way over. It's already late, so this fitting will run late. So this vlog is going up late, but I'm excited to share this and it's gonna be fun. I'm out of breath because I just brought all these garment bags up from the car and I started setting up on the rack. I'm gonna take that rack, have that bag. We have a lot going on, but I'm so excited. I started to do it every single day.
Every day you upload on YouTube?
Yeah.
Dude, that's nuts.
I know.
You edit, what do you do? You edit it when you get home?
Yeah, iMovie.
That's
Okay.
so impressive.
This is, I don't really edit that much though. Okay, this is Paco Rabanne second look. We kind of love this. This is fun, but it's not as like dreamy and beautiful as the first one, but it's like cool and fun and funky. It's kind of silly goofy.
Like this one looks like I could be Timothy himself.
Yeah.
And the other one looks like I could be like a
Snowflake.
like a snowflake.
Is it too Wonka? Is that the question? Also, how does she photograph? That is another question. So let me take some pictures.
I mean, if I had short hair
girl,
for this,
it looks cool in photos. Yeah, you look really like kind of badass in this. Wait, what? No.
oh, also there's no way.
Better.
Oh my gosh, you got sunglasses.
If we wanted to commit, I was ready.
That's so funny.
Can you imagine? So cool, right?
Oh my gosh. Wait, literally don't stay on my face at all. But for a photo, they could stay.
Yeah.
Wow, she is fluffy. Is this the vibe?
I'd be fired.
Wait.
Okay, let's try the peacock on.
Cool. Woohoo.
I also saw this and that. I don't want to be offensive to me.
I know.
Should I hype you up in it?
Yeah. Okay, I do really like it. I don't think I'm that big of a fan of the boots, only because it's a different gold. Like, it's more yellow gold.
We absolutely can do loafers. We could do pumps.
I was saying, I've dyed for loafers. Also, ooh, I think you would love these shoes that the Domingo sent me. Like patent leather.
I love patent leather.
But they're,
Oh, you know how everyone's doing the pop of red? Oh. You could even do those.
Oh, that.
That would be so cute for winter. I love 9 months. Do they send them?
No, I bought them.
This is good. I like this.
Yeah, this would have been really cute though.
Yeah. It's
I
like
feel
fun.
like, oh, Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah. Oh, can you be on it?
Yeah,
I would be so happy. I would. Okay. This could be a vibe. Hear me out. This one is so cool.
Wow.
Like golden ticket energy.
Yep.
Lost a feather. But I think it's pretty and I think we should take like a photo. That one was a letdown.